Hi everyone. Quite often it is necessary to replace a string within all files in the directory. This can be easily done using advanced ETL processor transformation. Let me show how. First of all, let me show you some data. So we have a number of articles dedicated to water. Water is the essence of life. And what we want to do, we want to replace water with wine. So first thing we need to do, we need to create some directories. The first one will be called water. That is our source directory. And we'll create another one. And we will call it wine. Next step is to create a new transformation. Let's call it replace. Water is wine. Still needs a validator. So, what we need to do is update reader properties. And our source type is file system. Connection name is water. We also want to read the file content. And our writer type is also file system. Connection name is wine. Do some mapping, just map the file name. And what we want to do, we want to replace function. And we will apply it to a file data field. And we will search for water and replace it with wine. And basically that's it. All we need to do now is to run our transformation. So we created two files. Let's check the directory. The wine directory. And now we have it. Wine is essence of life. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to learn some other ways of converting water to wine, please go to our support forum and ask for assistance. We will be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.